Quiet doesn't mean weak. Quiet means you see more, understand more, and move with intention. In a world full of noise, quiet people often win silently. In this video, I'll show you the hidden strengths quiet people already have but rarely use. Quiet people are often misunderstood. Others see silence and assume passivity. But quiet is not passive, it's strategic. Quiet people think before they speak. They process deeply. They choose their actions carefully. This creates intention, and intention is powerful. Quiet people notice details others overlook. Body language, tone changes, opportunities, weak signals, this constant observation builds insight. And insight builds advantage. When you are quiet, you don't rush to speak or react. This creates space. Space to think, space to analyze, space to make clean decisions. Most people operate fast but unclear. Quiet people operate slow but precise. Because you listen more than you speak. You naturally build emotional intelligence. You understand people's intentions. You sense tensions early. You respond calmly. This is a leadership superpower. Especially in high-pressure environments. People trust quiet individuals. not because you are silent, but because you are consistent, thoughtful, and measured. Trust is built through behavior, not volume. Listening more than talking creates learning advantage. Quiet people absorb information rapidly. You collect patterns. You analyze deeply. This makes you grow faster, not louder. Quiet people don't need to prove themselves constantly. Low ego creates space for improvement. You seek clarity, not validation. This accelerates long-term success. Quiet people win by playing to their strengths. Not by trying to be someone else. You lead through calm. You create trust. You make thoughtful decisions. You learn quickly. And you act with intention. These are the foundations of long-term success. The only thing that holds quiet people back is hiding. Silence is strength, but hiding is fear. Don't shrink. Don't disappear. Use your quiet strengths deliberately. Quiet success comes from a simple cycle. Observe deeply. Think clearly. Act intentionally. Repeat quietly every day. It is a powerful advantage when you use it. If you are building a quiet, calm, powerful life, subscribe for more videos like this.